Hey Moose Bus travelers, I know it's been a long drive from Victoria and we just met, so I'm going to reintroduce myself. My name's Justin, your guide, and here we are in sunny Tofino, BC, the surf capital of Canada. You might be wondering why I'm playing guitar. Well, sometimes I just burst into song when I get excited. And I have to say, I'm super excited to take you guys out there for your first time on the waves because, in my opinion, there's no better way to experience the west coast of Canada than to be surfing on board. As a teenager, I used to come out here with my family, and I'd put full days out there with my dad. He'd teach me the tricks of the trade, and even now, he still teaches me a few tricks here and there. So we're also here during the peak of the summer, which, in my opinion, is the best time to be learning how to pop up. Because the waves are small, consistent, and predictable. But before we get out there, we have to cover a few things. First, safety. Second, we have to talk about maintaining distances. Third, surf etiquette. And fourth, we're going to do a bit of ground practice. But I can't do that while I'm playing guitar, so I'm going to put this aside. Alright, so safety. First, we need to identify the hazards out there in the water. Obviously, the biggest hazard is the surfboard itself. So when we go out there into the water and start wading out, we need to make sure that we have the surfboard to our side and not in front of us, because when the wave comes and we're trying to get to the still part, the breaking wave might push it up into our face, so we want to make sure we have it to the side. So, yeah, keep that to the side. Another thing is maintaining distances between each other. So, we want to keep at least 3 meters apart at all times, because these things can collide into each other, and that would be really bad. So, maintaining distances. Another thing is that if you feel like you're afraid in the water, just frantically wave your arms and call my name, or go on your belly like this and just ride the wave back into shore, and then you can get my attention. I'm going to be out there in the water with you guys the whole time, so yeah, you guys can feel assured that way. So another thing that we want to talk about is surf etiquette. And what I mean by that is respecting the other surfers that are already in the water. We can see them over here. So when you paddle for a wave, you need to look left and right, just like you're crossing the road, and make sure that there's no surfer already on the wave. And if there is, just hold back, catch the next one. It's all good. So yeah, we've talked about a bit of safety on the water, maintaining our distance, 3 meters each, or between each other, surf etiquette, and the last thing is ground practice. So we're going to learn a pop-up here on the beach before we get out there. So, okay, you're going to have your toes tickling right off the back side, like that, and your chest up, and when you feel the backside start to rise up, that means the wave is coming. So you start paddling super deep and hard, grab the rails, and pop up.